Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up for video editing. Video editing is complicated unless you are already a video editor using a program like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. Most video editing tools are a mystery to most people, from compression settings to storage considerations and much more. It can be overwhelming to create great videos. All the elements have to work together, which makes editing all the more difficult. The good news is that there is no one size fits all solution where it comes to video editing. That's why I have compiled the most important factors to consider, as well as some options and the most suitable solutions for different use cases and budgets. Why you need a good editing system. Great movies and videos are made in the editing room. The fact is that good editing can save bad rushes, raw footage, but bad editing does not make for a good movie even with good footage. If you want to produce something decent for your videos and have an efficient video production workflow, you need a good editing setup. When you first start making videos, you probably do not think about what kind of editing suite you need. But if you want your videos to look professional, you need to take the time to get a system that works well. Not all computers are created equal. You can edit video with almost any computer, but not all computers are created equal. Some have better features than others, and some have better options when it comes to editing software or different types of hard drives that offer more storage space for videos. So before you think about making videos and actually start, make sure your editing software can do it. If it does not, you would not end up being able to produce a quality video because it just does not have what it takes. When you are editing professionally, every second counts, but even if you are just shooting video at home, those few seconds are precious because they help you keep your inspiration and editing decisions close together and lead to better movies. The most important things you should consider when choosing equipment for video editing are editing apps overview. A typical video editing workflow involves loading footage into a project, creating sequences and raw cuts with that new footage, playing the timelines multiple times, adding transitions, effects, titles, sound effects, and music, rendering the timeline with the actual unprojected footage, and finally exporting to an MP4 file. If you want to edit a video, you need editing software. This software records the data stored on your camera's memory card. It also does the actual editing of the footage based on the effects and color gradations you use. You will need to install video editing software on your computer and make sure it's up to date. Deciding which editing software to use depends in part on what type of computer you are using and what specifications it requires. Make sure that the software version you aim to use is compatible with your operating system. Specific editing apps to consider. Choices include programs like Avid Media Composer, Final Cut Pro X, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and others.